My name's Ross Frisbee. I'm Head of Business at University Centre Shrewsbury. We're doing a series of mini lectures around maximising creativity to support your business. This is lecture number 2. It's about developing confidence of your team. In lecture 1, we looked at setting goals for your team, okay, and an effective way of doing that. This one's about trying to develop the confidence. Now, the key bit is once you've set the goal, it's really important that you don't tell the employee how to do it. Tell them, you've shown them what it's going to look like at the end, but don't tell them how to get there, because that is the creativity bit. That's the fun bit for them. So that provides them with motivation, and they might well come up with something that you've not already thought of. So if you tell them the way to do it, that demotivates them and stifles creativity. So allow your employees to be free and to let them move from their current situation to the goal that you've set for them in their own way. Do you have the patience and do you have the control to allow them to do that? That is what a good leader would do.